Have you heard about IOTEX? If not, you're in for a treat. IOTEX is not your everyday cryptocurrency. It's a vibrant, robust ecosystem that's been meticulously constructed to fuel the internet of trusted things. It's a revolutionary concept that's all about creating a world where everything, both physical and virtual, can interact and exchange value seamlessly. Think about it. Humans, machines, businesses, and decentralized applications all communicating efficiently on a global scale. This isn't just about trading coins or making transactions. It's about creating a new kind of internet, one that's secure, private, and trusted. But what sets IOTEX apart in the crowded crypto space? It's their unique blend of blockchain, secure hardware, and decentralized identity solutions that empower individuals and businesses alike to own and control their devices, as well as the data and value they generate. So, if you're intrigued by the idea of a world where all physical and virtual things, humans, machines, businesses, and dApps, can efficiently exchange information and value at a global scale, stick around. Now, you might be wondering, how does IOTEX work? Well, let's dive right in. IOTEX harnesses the power of blockchain technology to create a decentralized platform where the integrity of your data is secured and ownership is upheld. Think of it as a digital fortress where your information is safe from prying eyes. At the heart of IOTEX is a unique consensus mechanism known as Roll DPoS, or Randomized Delegated Proof of Stake. This isn't just a fancy term, it's a revolutionary way to ensure high scalability and fast transaction times. Picture a bustling city where millions of people are going about their daily lives. Now imagine that city operating smoothly, without traffic jams or delays. That's what Roll DPoS brings to the IOTEX network. But how does IOTEX motivate users to contribute to the network? This is where tokenomics comes into play. Much like an economy, the IOTEX system incentivizes users to contribute to the network by rewarding them with tokens. It's a win-win situation. Users get rewarded for their contributions, and the network continues to thrive and grow. Now let's talk about the real-world applications of IOTEX. This isn't just a theoretical concept. IOTEX is paving the way for real-world applications from smart homes to self-driving cars. Imagine a world where your data is not only secure, but also works for you, creating a seamless and efficient lifestyle. So what does all this mean for you? With IOTEX, you're not just a passive observer. You're an active participant in a new decentralized world where your data is yours and yours alone. You're part of a dynamic community that values privacy, efficiency, and innovation. With IOTEX, we are looking at the future of a connected, decentralized world. A world where technology is not just a tool, but a partner in creating a better, more secure digital future. So, what does this all mean for you, as a potential investor or user of the IOTEX network? Well, let's delve into the potential of IOTEX. As the network expands and more devices become IoT-enabled, the value of the IOTEX token could see a significant rise. Why? Because IOTEX isn't just a run-of-the-mill blockchain project, it's an enabler, a bridge connecting the physical and digital worlds through devices that communicate and transact autonomously. Now imagine a future where everything from your fridge to your car is IoT-enabled. That's a lot of devices, right? And each one could potentially be part of the IOTEX network. What sets IOTEX apart is its unique focus on privacy and data ownership. In a world where these aspects are becoming increasingly important, IOTEX's vision could propel it to become a major player in the future of the Internet of Things. In the world of crypto, IOTEX offers something unique and potentially very valuable. We're all curious about the future, aren't we? Especially when it comes to investment. Now, let's talk about the potential price prediction of IOTEX. The world of cryptocurrency is a wild ride, full of ups, downs, and sudden turns. It's impossible to predict the future with absolute certainty, but we can make educated guesses based on trends, market conditions, and technological advancements. With the Internet of Things sector poised for exponential growth in the coming years, IOTEX, with its unique proposition of a privacy-centric blockchain platform, could be at the forefront of this revolution. This makes IOTEX a promising prospect for investors. However, it's important to remember that there are no guarantees in the world of cryptocurrency. The market is volatile and unpredictable. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency is volatile and unpredictable. Always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. But with its unique proposition and potential for growth, IOTEX is certainly a crypto worth keeping an eye on.